Pleasant morning, children. Happy to see you all again. Today we are going to discuss answer for your weekly test number 3 and 4. So the first, it is multiple choice question. The first question, the small leaf-like structure protects the inner part of a flower is called a dash. The options are petals, stigma, stamen, sepal. So they have given that is a leaf-like structure. It is sepals. Option D is the right answer. And second question, reproductive part of a plant. The options are flower, leaf, stem and root. The answer is flower. Option A is right answer. And third question, the long slender structure present in the female reproductive part of a plant. Options are ovules, stigma, style, anther. So which is a long slender structure? This is style. Option C is the right answer. And fourth question, different flowers have dash of different colors. Options are petals, stigma, filament, sepal. The answer is option A, petals. So the different flowers have different colors of petals. And fifth question, the outer cover of bead-like structure in the flower is dash. Options are ovary, ovules, stigma, style. So you have to note that they have given the outer cover of bead-like structure, which is called ovary. Option A is right answer. And next, it is very short answer type. Here, sixth question, name two flowers with joined sepal. So joined sepal, which is the green structure, which is leaf-like structure, which is present in the outside of the flower. So the examples, it is datura metal and hibiscus. You can observe the joined sepal. And seventh question, why petals are colorful? So petals are colorful to attract the birds and insect, and this may help them in the pollination. Okay. And next, eighth question, that is short answer type. Identify the diagram and label the part. So what is this diagram? This is a male reproductive part of a flower and this is stamen. Okay. And you are going to label the part. This is the A, it is filament. A part, it is filament. Okay. And B, it is anther. Okay. This is the male reproductive part of a flower. And next, ninth question. Write the names of the part of a flower in sequence from outside to inside. So from outside to inside. So you have to list out. From outside, it is sepal and petal, and next to the petal it is the male reproductive part, which is stamen, and next it is pistil, okay, which is the female reproductive part. Okay. And long answer type, 10th question, briefly explain the female reproductive part of a flower. So you have to draw the diagram of female reproductive part of a flower, which is pistil, which have the stigma, style, ovary and ovules. Okay. You have to draw that and you have to explain it. Okay. So this is stigma, style, ovary, and inside you have to draw the bead-like structure, which is ovule. Okay. And you have to explain those parts. So this is answer for 10th question. And next, it is weekly test number 4. The first question in the multiple choice questions. In plant of God, some thread-like structure arise from the stem that helps the plant to climb. These structures are called dash. The options are thorns, tendrils, pedicel and none. So the option B is right answer. It is tendrils. This is the thread-like structure present in the stem part. And second question, the lines on the broad green part of a leaf are called. The options are midrib, lamina, veins, petiole. The answer is veins because they have asked for the lines in the broad green part. Okay. Answer is veins. And third question, identify the plant whose root store food for further use. That is options like turnip, sweet potato, tapioca and all of these. So all these roots, they store the food. So option D is right, all of these. And fourth question, type of vein present in grass. So grass, it is a monocot plant, and the options are here midrib, reticulate, parallel, none. So the option C is right answer, parallel. Okay. And fifth question, which of the following is a female reproductive part of a flower? And options are sepal, androecium, gynoecium, petal. They have given the female reproductive part. Gynoecium is a female reproductive part. Okay. And next, it is very short answer type. Sixth question, if a leaf in a potted plant is tied up with polythene bag for a whole day, you can observe water droplets in the cover. What does it indicate? And explain the process. So this indicate that the water is removed from the leaf. So this process, it is called as transpiration. The excess water in a plant, it is removed in the form of vapor through the leaf. That process, it is called as transpiration. Okay. And seventh question, sketch the labeled diagram of root in which plant has two cotyledons in their seed. So in the plant of two cotyledon, what the type of root will be? It is taproot. So here you have to draw the diagram of taproot and label it parts. Okay. So the primary root, lateral root, and the root has. Okay. And short answer type. Eighth question, do you agree that stem is like two-way street? Explain how it works. Yes, I agree that stem is a two-way street because they carry that water and the food. Water it carry in a unidirection, okay, only in the upward direction. But food which is prepared in the leaf, that travels in the bi directions, okay, both upside and in the downside, because it has to transport to all parts of the plant. Okay. And ninth question, draw the labeled diagram of reproductive part which is present in the innermost part of a flower. So this is the female reproductive part. Okay, the pistil, you have to draw the pistil and you have to label the parts like stigma, style, ovary, and ovules. Explain the male reproductive part. Okay, that is the stamen. Okay, the filament and the anther. And the anther, it is a bag like structure which have the pollen grains. So you can draw the diagram of pollen grains also. Okay, and explain the covers in the pollen grain, the outer cover and the inner cover. Okay, this is about the test answers. Okay, thank you children.